Okay, for example 2, x plus 7 over x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 3 over negative 1 minus x. So once again, starting off with a quadratic trinomial, I'm always considering if I see x squared in a trinomial sense, I can possibly factor this thing. And if I can, it might make the problem easier. So x plus 7 is perfectly fine the way it is on top. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is going to be x plus 1 times x plus 1. Looking at the second fraction, minus 1 minus x has the right objects, wrong signs on both things, right? So again, I can make this become x plus 1, but I'm going to have to change the sign somewhere else. So both of these signs changed on the bottom, so I have to change the sign, in this case, in front. And if it already is a plus in front, go ahead and change the top. All right? So 3 over x plus 1 is equivalent to minus 3 over minus 1 minus x. They're the same thing. And what I'm looking at here is x plus 1 times x plus 1. There's two x plus 1s here. There's only one here. So this has to have a second x plus 1 on it. Again, the denominators have to match exactly. And then once they both have x plus 1 times x plus 1 in the denominator, that is the least common denominator. I would personally write it as x plus 1 squared, but you can keep it as x plus 1 times x plus 1 if you want to. It means the same thing. I always look for the way to write it with the fewest number of characters. That's the writer's cramp. Alright, x plus 7 is perfectly fine the way it is. 3 times x and 3 times 1. Again, since this is a plus sign, it's just simple multiplication. Plus 3x, and then 3 times 1 is going to be plus 3. Then we simply combine like terms. X and 3x make 4x. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Over x plus 1, the quantity squared. Last one was 4x plus 9. This is 4x plus 10. Maybe the next was 4x plus 11. I don't know. There might be a pattern going on here. I'm going to guess not, but